So you are now welcome to my second class on how to design a database. And the database that we are going to use today is MySQL Server. So how do we get to MySQL Server? That's what we want to know. So for us to go to our SQL Server, we have to click on our Start button here. This place is called Start button. You can type you can see Microsoft SQL Server. SQL Server is one of the safest database so far. It's very difficult to hack in. XAMPP, they can hack into XAMPP, but it will take time. But my SQL Server is the security code is very stiff. It's not easy to break it, and it has different barrier. That's why most banks, telecommunication, they are still using my SQL Server. So that's what we are going to use today. So I'll click on my SQL Server. You will see how it loads. Now the MySQL Server is loading. You can see MySQL Server. And this MySQL Server is very good for security because we have different type of software which people are using to hack database. We used to divert person. So the SQL Server. So this is the SQL Server name that we use. I'll copy this. Then I'll now click on connect. The moment I click on connect, the SQL Server will be connected. It has connected. So this is the database where I want the information to go. You can see the plus here. You can see this is the database. So for me to make use of the database, I will just right click on this name database. I will just right click on it like this. Right click. Then I will see new database. New database. Click on new database. Then the moment I click on new database, then I'll come to this place. Yes, I'll now click. Okay, me. About data. About data. Then let me call it two because I have one about data.
Our data is already existing.
Yes. So I create another one called about data.
From
Then so the moment I click on that database name, I gave it about data. Then I will see the okay. I will see the okay. Please, are we on the same page? Are we on the same page? I will see the okay button, then I'll click okay. He's saying that about data 2 is already existing. Let me make it about data.
from about data.
Put about data student. About data student. Then I click OK. You can see that it's not complete because the computer told me that about data 2 that I was trying to use is existing. But so I now change the name to about data student. You can know that this one will not exist. Because if the name is existing before, if you try to create one, the computer will give you message telling you that error message. So I'll now go to this my about data one. I will see a plus beside it. I'll click on the plus. Then when I click on the plus, I will see a table. Table is where you normally put all your information inside a database. We have table, we have database. That database is a general name. Then table is where you put your work. Just right click on table like this. Then you now go to new. You click on table.
Why not open table straight?
You don't have table on that about data student. It's empty.
That's what you write.
So that means every database has
Yes, you must have table. Because it's inside the table that you put the ID,
Okay.
name, then email. I always still remember what put in number 3. Email, date of birth, password. If you are not giving me answer, after password, what to put next? Phone, Abi? Phone, Abi? You are not saying anything.
Phone number. Yeah, phone number.
Then I put phone number. Deposit.
create user.
So what I mean is that this name, this information here, this information, ID, name, email, date of birth, password, phone. So but I don't only put deposit because I have to represent all these ones inside the database. So that's where the information will go to. So when the person put in his ID number, putting his name. Then click create. The thing will go to the data. Will go to inside the database. Do you get it? So inside the ID, if I click on this place, the database, the type of information that will be in database, it can be number, it can be character, it can be number and character together. So that you not go and put where you're supposed to put character, you go and put number. Because of that, we never put VAROCA, variable character, to space. It can be number and it can be
Can be
character
number.
or string. That's why I'm putting variable character for ID because on ID we have number and character. CS111 stroke CBB. Do you get what I'm saying? So I have the two. That's why I'm using variable character. The name is purely character. I can also put variable character for name. Then email,
Variable character.
I'll put variable character for email. Then date of birth,
But the variable is for
I
number
just put
now.
date.
The variable is for number.
You know why I'm putting date? Because it's already in the options. So this is for date because date has its own different formats. It's not like character. Date has its format. That's why I'm taking date. Then password too will take variable character.
Okay.
Then phone number too. I'll put variable character. Call of that 080.
Plus, sometimes we ask plus.
Plus.
Variable
And
character.
that plus is special character. So that's why I'm using
Variable
a
character.
variable character for it. Plus is special character too. String is dollar sign is special character. So I'm using variable character. Then when it comes to deposit, is that I will use double. Double are numbers. Float are numbers. But integer are number that does not have decimal places. But this has to do with deposit money, 0.00 couple. So we are going to use float.
Mm.
Then all these ones, yes, allow none. Allow none.
No.
Meaning that you can have 100. So I don't want uh, space to be there, like 00 that is not supposed to appear. I want it fixed number,
Like a white
like
space.
like white space for 00. Maybe I want to write one, like I will put in 001, 001 instead of one alone. So I don't want anything like non-space. So I will remove the checkbox.
No, come again. That you, when you, if you are removing it too.
Because if you enter data, if you don't remove the none, if maybe put 20,
Mm.
020, the same thing as 20.
Yes, yes.
You will be adding zero that are not necessary. I don't know how you
Okay.
maybe you want to write 10 now.
20.
Maybe you want to write 10 now. Before writing 10, you'll be putting 00 before that 10.
Mm-hmm.
But normally that zero is not necessary. Anything known, I check, I remove it. So that's why I allow no. No, I don't want to allow no. If it's 10, let it be 10. If it's 20, let it be 20. Don't put any zero in front of the 20. At the back of the 20. Because if it's in the front, it's a figure. If it's at the back, so that's what I'm moving. They will not save it. This place that I'm saving, the table name must be saved because I will use it in writing my code. Because we have different tables here. This data have its own table. Data 2 have its own table. So this table name, I have to save it. So if I click on save like this, I will now type st. Let me just type
Student. Student validator.
so then because of I may make mistake of spelling. You get I will save this one like this control C. I will create a
You
notepad
can write anything there, right?
and anything there. But I will use that name in my coding. So I will look for a notepad to put the name there so I will not forget. Because I may miss the way I write it here, I may make mistake of spelling. So if I make mistake of spelling, the thing will not go to the table. It will be looking at it as it's going to a different place. So for me not to do the mistake, I normally save it in a notepad. And this notepad I will save it inside that folder that I created. Because spelling, if T is not there, the thing will not go there. If S is not there, it will not go there. But the table name must be the same. That's why I normally save it on a notepad. And I close this. Then I click OK.
Is this backend?
Yes,
Okay.
this is backend. Please, that's all for creating of your table inside Microsoft server. Then after you are through with that, you can now close it from here.
You not link the notepad
So
inside. Not necessary.
No, you are through with this.
how do we link it with the form?
We use code. We are not going to. We have not done code.
Okay, so
This,
that means
this,
we cannot type, cannot submit anything
we
in the
cannot submit
form.
anything. This one is still standing on its own.
Oh.
Has not been linked.
It has not been linked. It's a
So if
database.
you want, sorry.
Ask your question.
So if you want to create a software now, this is a procedure we must follow. Create your table first, create your form before linking
Yes.
everything.
So that's why I will close this video, and so that video will be based on. I'll stop it.
How to